So this is Isuzu Dmax, and we have made a suspension kit for this vehicle, which includes composite leaf springs, shock absorbers, and the newly awaited product, the anti-roll bar, which directly fits onto the vehicle. No modifications are required. The whole kit fits on the vehicle without alterations. In the front, it directly can be installed under center plate and tightened with U-bolt. Rear, we have used chassis tappings to secure the anti-roll bar in place. The kit will give you a very stable and comfortable ride quality. Compared to stock suspension, this will be a night and day difference.